everyone, Rachel Prophet here. I'm a white female with reddish brown hair. Today it's pulled up in a very messy bun. My pronouns are she, her, and I am sitting in my office with my sticker wall behind me. I got Pinko the penguin, and my cat Garfette is sleeping on top of the giant stuffed penguin. I'm wearing a dark gray t-shirt today with the 105 West bear that is colored like an American flag. I just got a new shipment today, and I hope you're just as excited as I am to open it, so let's just dig right in. Today, we have something for Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. This is the Save Survey Progress. What do you say we take a closer look? With the new Pause and Resume Survey feature, survey respondents can partially fill in a long survey, pause it, and then resume it later to complete it. This functionality allows your respondents to take their own time and complete the survey at their own pace. You'll need to enable this feature on each survey that you create. When this feature has been enabled, the partially filled out responses are saved for up to 28 days. Your respondents also have the ability to pause and resume from different devices. For example, if they start the survey on their web browser, they can close that browser window down and later open it from their mobile device, and the survey will pick up wherever they left off. What do you say we take a look at how to enable this feature and see it in action with an actual survey? So I'm here in my Office portal page. You can get to it from any browser by navigating to portal.office.com. I'm going to go ahead and navigate into Customer Voice. If you don't have the icon and it's not an application you open frequently, you'll need to click on All Apps. And then from here, you can click on the Customer Voice tile to launch Customer Voice. Once Customer Voice is open, you can select any survey that you have by opening up All Projects, or you can start a new project and create a survey. I've already pre-created a survey here called Performance Reviews that we're going to open up and edit. So inside of this survey, you can see a number of details, and this particular survey is split out into multiple sections, which means that the survey respondent will get multiple pages where they can click next. When you have longer surveys, it's nice to kind of break up your questions into these sections so that your respondents can kind of take it a little bit at a time and aren't overwhelmed by a very, very long, scrolling type survey. So once you've defined all of the details about your survey, the post-survey message, the footer, and so on, you're going to need to use the customization. You'll notice that there is a customization tab on the design tab here, but we don't actually see the settings that we need unless you click to the Send tab. So when you click on the Send tab and you expand that customization pane on the right, this is where you'll see distribution settings. So this is important in order for your survey to allow for the saving and pausing of the responses. You'll need to enable this feature. So I'll click on Participants, and underneath this Participants area, the last parameter here, which is new, is called Save Survey Progress. When I enable this checkbox, now this particular survey will support the ability for your respondents to partially answer the questions and then respond. So I'm going to go ahead and close this down, and we're going to go ahead and send this survey to myself. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Resend and choose Email. So I'm going to go ahead and select myself here. This is my personal email address where I'm going to send this survey to. If you need to import or create contacts, you can do that very easily by clicking on Import Contacts. You can also personalize and update the look and feel of your message, but when you're ready, you'll click Send. All right, so now that I've sent this survey, I'm going to hop on over to my personal email and show you what this experience looks like. So I'm here in my personal email, and now I can see I've received that email with my survey, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Survey. This will launch the survey from Customer Voice in a new window. Now I can go ahead and start to fill out the details. I'll enter something here, and I'll enter something here. Now let's say I need to leave this survey and I don't have time to finish this. I am going to go ahead and just close down this browser and leave the page. And let's say now later, I've got some more time on my hands. I want to come back to the survey. I'm going to go ahead and click Start Survey. And it's going to launch that survey in a new window. And you'll notice now, it took a little bit longer for that survey to load, but the notes that I entered the first time I started that survey are still here. And I can pick up where I left off by entering additional results and going to the next page. The user doesn't even need to do anything specific. So now you've seen how we can very quickly and easily allow your respondents to save the progress in their surveys, to make that process of responding to your surveys easier, especially when you have a long form survey. Be sure to like, subscribe, and put your comments below of what you'd like to see on my next Dynamics 365 Unboxed video. We'll see you next time.